What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and we got another quick install video coming to you guys. So let's just dive into it. So if you watch the unveil, that's our new 2018 Chevy Silverado LT, and let's just jump into it real quick because I'm going to show you what we're doing, why I'm talking about it, and much more. All right, so here in the Silverado, we have cloth seats. They do have that finish on them, the Prima plate, which essentially guards them. We'll do a video on that as itself, but today we're doing a quick one about the center console. So as you can see, center console missing, or did not come with that top plate. Now, I've owned several versions of this truck. I had the GMC Denali, which was like the Mac Daddy best version or fanciest version or whatever you want to call it of the Silverado or Chevy 1500. And I also had an LT Z71 similar to this model. Didn't have the model I had did not have the bows, didn't have the GMC Performance exhaust or the illuminated bow tie, but essentially it was the same exact truck. A couple of things was missing, but not a lot. So with this center console, let's take a look again at it right here. As you can see, it's essentially just a big holding cell right now. There's no way to organize stuff. There's no way to hold stuff. So let's go back into the garage. I'm going to show you something real quick that I got for a super cheap price. So if you guys have a Chevy or a GMC, the mid to late 2000s model, you guys can check this thing out. I'll put a link to it down below. It's really cost effective. This thing costs like below 20 bucks. Let's take a look at it here. Let me fix the camera. All right, guys. So here it is. Comes in this box right here. To me, this is a have to. So if you've got one of these trucks and you want to just do a simple upgrade that you're gonna love, this similar, the Chevy version of this came in my Denali. GM wants 50 bucks for it. I paid, like I said, like 20 bucks for it. I'll put a link to this below. Essentially, comes in the box, has a little card thing. So what this is, this sits in that console, has a little hidden compartment thing, sits there. There's another one down below here. I had to shove it in when I was looking at it. It has your little coin holder. Clips, should clip, there it goes, clips in. So this guy sits in that center console, allows you to, you know, if you want to throw some cash or some gum or whatever you want down below, you can have it down there. You have this stuff on top, but more or less you can throw some change in here. You can throw, if you go to a coffee shop or whatever, you can throw the coffee cart up here. But you have a hell of a lot more options than just throwing stuff in that center console of your truck. Let's go over to the truck and put it in. So obviously this is like a no-brainer. You're literally setting this in, so you can't screw this up even if you tried, because there's only two ways to go in and both ways will work. So we're here back in the truck. Oops. Back in the truck here. So you've got these grooves right there. Right there. Let's see if I screwed this up, because I have not test fitted this. Sits right in just like that. Perfect. The nice thing about this is now I have the option to throw stuff on top of it, because like if you look here, I had my gum sitting in the big console in the front, got my insurance card, got a pen. Well, pen will fit in there too, but now it all fits right on the top instead of piling it all together. Super simple install. Again, it's like 20 bucks. That's it. Quick, easy console update if you have this issue with your truck, or maybe you just don't have one, or you damaged one, or whatever it may be. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Anthony, Wrenched Out Garage. Hit subscribe if you guys are out riding, driving. Do it safely, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot of things coming to the Silverado. We got a lot of cool stuff coming to the V-Rod, to the garage, to just everything in general. Monday's our garage news. We got garage talks, we got installs, we got it all. We'll see you guys in the next video.